At dahil bored ako sa traffic, yan, selfie muna tayo or video muna tayo. Maybe this time it will be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. Wow, grabe ang traffic ko. Nandito kami ngayon sa Cavitex, papuntang tollgate from Manila. Ayan na siya, namumula sa Waze. Laging ganyan, pag ganitong oras. Time check, 7:30. Always traffic pag ganitong oras. Papasok ng Cavite. Pa-tollgate pa lang kami Hi, salamat! Nakalabas din kami sa tollgate. Look on the other side. Medyo moving naman, pero medyo mabagal. Papasok na kami ng Bacoor, Cavite. Ang daming motorista. Hello! At dahil bored ako sa traffic, yan, selfie muna tayo or video muna tayo. Ang tagal ko nang bumabiyahe sa ganitong daanan na to, wala pa rin talagang pinagbago. Ayan! Ito yung tinatawag na buhos. Sabay-sabay yan. Pag may traffic, yan ang ginagawa dito sa Bacoor. She's smiling like the way she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like the way she used to feel way back when they tried. But something kept them waiting for this magic moment. Maybe this time it will be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. Ooh, she's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time love won't end. Ayan, wala na akong ilaw. Ay, salamat. Nasa Nomo na kami. Meron kaming ningnangan. Meron din kaming Walter Mart. Pagdating talaga ng September, eto, yung mga parol na yan, nag-iilaw na kaagad. Sunod-sunod yan sila. May kina Roger Roasters, Bontis, Wendy's, at hindi na makikita. Kasunod nun is the Starbucks. So, kompleto yan dito sa lugar namin. Hi, thank you, Father. Nandito na kami sa subdivision namin. Bye! See you next time. Safe driving, mga kaibigan.